Hi guys, Grant from Grant's Games and Models here. Today I'll be doing a build tutorial on my Krieg Howitzer. So, as you see on the screen, I am placing down the blocks you'll need. Here I thought I needed a button, but then that was for a different Howitzer design that I had long ago. For this build I did use a barrier block, but just for sake I won't be using that. So you'll start off by doing the wheels, which are black stone stairs. You'll put them like that. Do 3 blocks in between. Build the other wheel. Now grab some smooth stone slabs. Put them like that. Keep messing up there. Yeah, so that little metal piece right there is where the barrier block's supposed to go, but yeah, that piece I'm about, oh, yeah, that piece right there. Then like that. Now for the main gun, or the barrel, grab some stone bricks, or stone brick walls. Grab some andesite, put it like that for the armor. And now we grab an anvil. Put it like that, and then we put a grindstone on the back, and that's how I build my howitzers. This is my design, so, but yeah, thank you for watching, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.